The best Steam Deck cases of 2024. While value bundle is a crying case with your brand new Steam Deck, it still needs a protective cover to keep it safe from bumps, cracks, and drops. One top of that, these protective cases for the Steam Deck are pretty handy for adding a better grip to the handheld and especially helpful feature for log gaming session. The spinch rigid arms is the way to go if you want to solid comfortable grip and seamless compatibility with the official value Steam Deck accessories. It is made with high quality TPU material, offering an excellent middle ground between hard and silicone case. It is flexible enough for easy application but not too flimsy. The case is thinner and lighter than other Steam Deck protective case but sturdy enough to offer decent top protection. It keeps the deck in a natural and comfortable position on the hand and does not get in the way of the trigger pod and button. The Steam Deck fits perfectly in the official crying case from value with the regard more are on the works with the official decks. Also add an adjustable right strap to complete what is already a perfect protection case for the Steam Deck. If you are looking for the most bang of your back, the protective case is an easy option to recommend it. It is thinner than most case, which is a good sign in the event you drop your Steam Deck, as that extra thickness adds to its shock. It does make it impossible to connect to the official Steam Deck dock, but since it is easy to remove, it is not a deal breaker. You do not drop your Steam Deck all too often either, with the textured TPU material giving it both anti-slip and anti-script properties. More importantly, perfect cutouts have been made for all the available part and vents to prevent head build-up. It even has a kickstand at the back if you want to prop it up. The Benscap TPU protective case provides solid protection from everyday scratch and drop, as well as a built-in kickstand for hands-free desktop gaming. You can prep the Steam Deck up to give your hands a desired break or play local multiplayer game. It is a mechanical kickstand, so it does not affect the fan speed or performance of the Steam Deck. The case itself is a blend of a shock absorbing TPU bumper and hard backing. It does an excellent job of protecting side and back of the Steam Deck, and the graphy textured handles provide a really great feel in the hand and a more comfortable hold of the Steam Deck.